we bought Tess a new Ford Explorer, right? Got it from used car lot. Low mileage. It's a fair deal. Thing looks great. Ran great. Brakes made a weird noise. I mentioned that. He was like, oh, you know, it's all new brakes. They just got a seat. And I'm like, nah, that's not right. I don't know a lot about cars. So we buy it anyways. I'm busy. It's been about 2 weeks since I've been able to actually pull it apart. So I'm here pulling it apart, looking at the back brakes. Yeah. That you know, pads are new, rotors aren't new, calipers are not new. I start looking, I'm like, man, I'm seeing a lot of rust on this. It's usually sign on metal, but the pads look new. Yeah. I don't know if you can see this or not, but they put the pads on backwards, you know, little metal on metal there. Yeah, that's gonna make a weird noise, but sending pictures. Told him it was in my shop. I was taking care of it. Should probably check his mechanic. He replies back, it's impossible. My mechanic knows what he's doing. Clearly not. No, he doesn't. I mean, we can clearly see. It's not right. So yeah, you know, get the driver's side done on the Explorer now. Fixing the brakes and such, new rotors, pads, calipers, all that good fun stuff. I'm like, yeah, you know, I should probably check the other side. Why not? So, pull apart the other side. Yep. See, you know, they're backwards as well. Not surprised. So yeah, this is kind of why I'm very puzzled. This was the brake pad that was on backwards. See the piston mark and the actual pad itself. It's seen better days. It's right in those grooves, you know. This is what baffles me. What in your right mind tells you this part goes that way to the metal? I'm puzzled. Like, fits well. That should stop it. Yeah, we'll just put it back on that one. Da, da, da.